How to change screen time out to never on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search Caffeine app and make sure install Caffeine app. After install Caffeine app, click on open. After click on open, click on timeout and make sure click on infinite. After click on this first option, go back and open quick settings panel, scroll down and click on edit. After click on edit, you will see caffeine is here. Click on this plus icon and click on this tick icon. You will see Caffeine app is added on quick settings panel, and you will see if you want to change screen timeout, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, screen timeout is changed. So that's how you can change screen timeout to never on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.